Right then, here we go. Day 9. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. 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 It's my best my impressions can be. Potter. Where is it? Where's day 9? I can't see it. I'm blind as a bat. You've probably seen it already in the video. There we go. Day 9, and it is Hermione. Is that Hermione? I don't know, actually. I don't know if that's Hermione or not, because is she not in the same Gryffindor, isn't she? I don't know. I mean, I'm not an aficionado on Harry Potter, but I don't think this is Hermione. Interesting. Whatever. So there you go. There's that one, which is cool. And then we've got, put those to one side. We've got Marvel. Marvel Day 9. Day 9 should be in the same place. There we go. Day 9. Oh, and it's is it Spider-Gwen or something? I don't know. The white one. No idea. I get lost. I watch the original Spider-Man stuff, including the comics. Okay, and then Star Wars. Day 9. We've got yet another ship of some kind. So festive. Well done, Lego. This is about as... No, I'm not going to say it. Okay, and City. City Day 9. Here we go. We have a guy with his hot chocolate and whipped cream on a set of snowshoes. That's awesome. That I like. That I do like. Okay. Okay, let's close you down. Okay. Right, so I'm going to build these and I'll see you on the flip side in a few minutes. Bye. Right then. Okay then, so day 9 done. Whoever the hell this is, excuse my English, don't know who it is, but they are in a different house. Let me know if you know who this is in the comments. Let me get that in focus. There we go. And nice print again on the torso. You take her rubberized hair off, you'll see the scarf, even better. And you got the printed tile, of course, as well. Oops, put her hair on backwards. Right. So yeah, that's good with the wand. So that's awesome. City guy, like him so much, yeah. Big smiley face. He's got like hammers and a fire or something on the front of his shirt. So he's rather cool. And he's got his nice glass of hot chocolate with whipped cream. And then on the back, he's got a Christmas tree decoration on his shirt. And I love the flat cap. Flat cap's cool, really, really cool. I do like these flat caps. And then he's got his snowshoes on, which is very awesome. So he's safe taking a drink to someone or drinking it himself. Here is Spider-Gwen. And no, she's not a new Harry Potter character with wands. These are her batons. No Christmassy outfit. So, don't know. Just a normal Marvel minifig. The smallest ever Millennium Falcon. And I actually like this because I love the Millennium Falcon. I have, I think, every single one of the ones that have been done recently. But yeah, that's kind of cool little build actually. I thought that was quite clever. Yeah, very few parts, but very colourful. Again though, not Christmas related, not Christmas related, not Christmas related. Yes, no. Anywho, all right, so that's day 9 done, finito. And I will probably now do day 10. Not today, I'll have to do it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Today is the 3rd of December. So these are for the 9th of December. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be day 10. Awesome.